Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your Princess Cruises experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Majestic Princess. Now this particular category is a balcony. It's the most prevalent here on board the ship. We're going to tour through the full space, but before we do, when you are ready to book your next Princess Cruise, make sure you do it right on hartravel.com. You can check out those interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get that signature Harr Travel service. Now let me show you the space. Now, one of the features of Princess's medallion net is the interaction as you head to the room. Now, your medallion chip is actually going to interact with your door lock. So as you approach, it's going to authenticate that it's you with that, and it's going to open your door for you. Now, keep in mind, this is also where you can communicate, service the stateroom, or provide privacy like a do not disturb. But you don't have to take this off. If you're wearing it on your wrist, around your neck, or in your pocket, as you approach, it's going to turn green, and then you head right on in. Now, Princess does a lot of shorter cruises and longer cruises and combinations in between. They have a ton of storage for a room this size. So you've got your mirror right here, and then the first thing I see to my right is a large walk-in closet. So that's hanging storage all the way across, storage up above. You've got storage down here on the floor as well. And then in here, you're gonna have your safe, perfect size for a passport, wallet, small electronics, and then you've got shelves up and down for more storage. So now we're headed into the bathroom. You've got a single vanity here and storage up and down. There's a plug for a razor, a little bit of storage underneath. You've got the toilet tucked in the corner, and then right here, you're gonna find the shower. It's got a adjustable shower wand up and down. I'm a pretty big guy, I'm 6'6", but I do actually fit in here just barely. And then you've got the shower curtain right here. So now we're headed into the bedroom. You've got your large Princess luxury bed right here, one of the most comfortable in the entire industry. You've got room underneath to put your bags away for extra storage, and then you've got two nightstands on either side. Now I really like that they have drawers so you can tuck things away. You've got a cubby as well. On one side, you're gonna have two USB plugs. I always bring an extra battery backup so I can charge during the day and then charge my devices in the evening. You're gonna have reading lamps on either side as well. And directly across, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now, as we head over to the rest of the space, you're gonna have a writing desk right here that doubles as a vanity. So you've got the light up above. You're gonna have two US plugs and a Euro plug. Also, due to that proximity, you can use that on the nightstand here as well. You're gonna have drawers over to the side, and then directly across, you're gonna find your mini fridge, a little bit more storage on the side here, and then you've got the mirror just above. Now let's head out to the balcony. So now we're out on your private balcony space. It's not a huge balcony. That's one of those things that you're gonna find here on board the Majestic Princess, but the purpose of it is to have your own private space where you've got the fresh air, the beautiful ocean breezes. You've got two chairs and a table right there, perfect for a couple. You can sit there, have a nice cup of coffee in the morning or cocktail in the evening, and enjoy what is so wonderful about cruising. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Princess, make sure you do it right on hartravel.com. You can pick out the perfect room or suite right on our interactive deck plans for you, your friends, family, or group, and you can do it at an incredible value with that Harr Travel signature service.